पड़ रही है सर, आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है।
Good morning, children. It is dated at 4 December 2020. Welcome to my class. This will be our conversation class. English. Conversation. English. Conversation. Is it okay? Shall we start now? Today we will discuss about myself. This is our topic, myself. I have finished is are in conversations. Is are in questions. Okay? Well, children, pay attention, sit properly. If you have conversation copy, it's a better to open. Okay? Good, beta, good. It's a better to open. Okay? Look at Liz. Sentences. And try to follow all very well. Liz sentences. I'm giving. Okay? Lee. Okay. Lee. Hi. Lee. I'm giving something. I'm giving something about Lee. He's a little kid. He is just like you. Okay? Just pay attention and you follow. Hi, I'm Lee. Let us know about Lee. Um, Student. We will try to know about Lee. Okay? See. Um, Indian. I'm from Devasthili. Vidyapet. Um, in third, standard. Um, 9 years old. Um, interested in English. English. Okay. I have written here in English. Okay. Here I have made a few sentences about Lee. Lee is your friend. Lee is just like a child. Lee is just like you. I have just made few sentences about Lee. Okay. Look at all the sentences about Lee. My little learners, pay attention. Know about Lee. Hi, I'm Lee. Hi, I'm Lee. Are you getting? Hi, I'm Lee. Um, Student. Just talk about Lee. Student. Um, Indian. Indian. I'm from Devasthi Vidyapet. I'm from Devasthili Vidyapet. Um, in third standard, um, in third standard, um, 9 years old, 9 years old, um, interested, interested in English. Okay, are you getting something, my learners? What should you do with these sentences? What should you do with this pattern? Well, children, try to make your own sentences about yourself. About yourself. Listen to me. Hi, I'm Shreya. Now we are talking about Lino. We are talking about Shreya. Hi, I'm Shreya. I'm student. This time I'm talking about Shreya. I'm student. Try to imitate all sentences about Lee. And then try to make your own sentences. Okay? Try to make your own sentences about yourself. Are you getting something? Come back to the point. I'm Indian. I'm talking about Shreya. I'm Indian. I'm from Devasli Vidyapit. I'm from Devasli Vidyapit. I have written here, see, I'm in third standard. I'm in third class. Okay? I can say, I'm in third standard. I'm in third class. Now here, I'm 9 years old. I'm 9 years old. You should mention your own age. I'm 9 years old. Okay? Here, I'm interested in English. It is just for learning. It is just for revising. Okay? Now, sit properly, beta. Okay. Good morning, ma'am. Okay. See. Open.